Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to brighten your skin in CapCut. So let's say that you want to edit a video or your video or photo and you want to edit your skin tone. You can do just that in CapCut. So I'm going to add just this photo and to change or to brighten your skin, you just need to go to the video and basic right here and then scroll down until you find the facial beauty right here and just click on the box to turn it on, and here you can just swipe it, adjust it as you like. Swipe it to the right to make it okay, to edit it, the face, and also the if you want to brighten, just click on the brighten here and then swipe it to the right. You can see the difference. It now looks brighter. Okay, I'm going to just choose 100, and you can also edit eyes, nose, and teeth. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can brighten your skin in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.